In this video, let's understand how to connect Google Drive with n8n in a very simple and easy steps. Let's get into the screen now. As you can see, here is the n8n dashboard, and here right here you can create new workflow, or I have a test one which I have created just now. In that, you just tap here, you'll get a drive, and this is just for a trial. I'll be using anything. So I have a account already connected, so what I will be doing is I'll be creating one more account now with you guys. See, we want client ID and secret code. Maybe this is a default secret code, I guess. We want client ID and secret code. So let's get started. Now let's go to Google Cloud Console. Once you go to Google Cloud Console, you just, if you don't have an account, you just create it and you tap here on the console. And once you are in the Google Cloud Console, here right here I have many projects here, but still, like, if you are new to this, create new project, and let's keep this as an account like test1 for YouTube. And now organization, let it be. Now you can see here your project is getting created. It got created now. You can select it. Here it is. Now what you have to do is you just go to API and services. Once you are in API and services, search here for Google Drive. Search here for Drive. You'll get the Google Drive here. You just tap on it, and what you have to do here is you just enable this. It's getting enabled. And now what you have to do is you just have to create credentials. You can tap here as well. See, now you can see Google Drive. Google Drive API. Now you can see Google Drive API and its user data, and we'll tap on next. Let's create an app name, like let it be test1 for YouTube. I'll have to use the email ID. Use the same email ID in which you are working, so that there won't be any trouble later. Developer email ID, use the same email ID. I'll type it. Save and continue. Once this is done, you come here again, you tap on save and continue. It will ask for a application type. Here you can use web application only, and name test1 for YouTube. You give your own name. And now you can see here authorized redirect URLs. So what you have to do here is you just tap on add URL. And where do you get this URL from? You will get this exactly from n8n. You just go to n8n dashboard. You just copy, click on the copy, and you will get this link. Come back to the Google Cloud Console, and you just paste the URL that you got from n8n. And now if you just tap on create, it will be created. Okay, now you got client ID here, but still let's tap on the done. Yeah, once you tap on the done, you just go to credentials. You tap on this test one for YouTube, and here you can get both client ID and client secret. You just copy this client ID. I'm just copying it to my n8n dashboard, and client secret I will just copy it. Once this is done, you just will get this sign in with Google. Tap on this, you will get one more issue here. Yeah, this is the account. See, as I told you, we have got a issue. Now we can solve it simply by going to Google Cloud Console, and right here you just go to audience section, and in the audience section this app is not published. That is the reason that we are getting issue. So we'll publish this app. It's asking for the confirmation. Yeah, now the app is published. Let's go to n8n now and see how this works. Now there is no issue now. See, you have got this advanced option here. Tap on that, go to hosting a cloud and select all, continue. Successful. It's so simple. Just name this with anything, like I'll test YouTube. Now it's done. Oh, I forgot to save it. See, I got this account now. See, it's so simple. If you have any other issues, comment down below. I'll reply you.